1971, fourth-generation computers were introduced with the introduction of integrated circuit. This was significant innovation in the history of computing. During early 70s, Bill Gates and Paul Allen were busy in developing games for personal computers and introduced a basic programming language. They formed today's most influential software firm, Microsoft Corporation. It revolutionized the idea of personal computing with the introduction of Microsoft Disk Operating System. Dear learners, personal computers were not available. Apple II personal computer was introduced in 1975. This was a prominent venture by Stephen Jobs and Steve Wozniak. In 1981, IBM introduced IBM Personal Computer, and many personal computers were sold by the end of 1982. At that time, many other companies started manufacturing of IBM PC compatibles. The use of personal computers had considerably increased in business. There was a tremendous need for business software. Mitchell Kapoor established Lotus Development Company. Lotus Corporation introduced electronic spreadsheet application that boosted the sales of IBM PC and Lotus 123. Dear learners, the credit for today's friendly, easy-to-use, point-and-click graphical user interface goes to Apple Computer. GUI changed the human-computer interaction from text-based exchange mode to friendly WIMP interface. During the last 2 decades, Unix, Microsoft Windows, Sun Solaris, Apple Macintosh, and many other graphical user interface operating systems were introduced. Dear learners, during the last few years, there has been a tremendous advancement in microprocessor technology, and now personal computers operate at speeds up to 2 gigahertz. There has been a considerable advancement in computer peripheral devices. Most powerful supercomputers, mainframes and minis based on RISC and CISC computing technologies are available at speeds beyond imagination. Dear learners, by the time you finish this course, you may visualize drastic changes in computing technology around you.